Welcome to our video on how digital marketing impacts businesses. In this digital age, the influence of online advertising and marketing strategies has transformed businesses worldwide. Join us as we discover the power of digital marketing and its profound impact on companies of all sizes. In this video, we will explore how digital marketing affects businesses and the advantages it offers for growth and success. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels such as websites, search engines, social media, email, and mobile apps to promote products and services. One of the key advantages of digital marketing is its ability to target specific audiences with precision. This ensures that businesses reach the right people at the right time, maximizing their chances of converting them into customers. Social media advertising is a prominent aspect of digital marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow businesses to reach millions of potential customers through targeted ads. Social media ads can be highly personalized, allowing businesses to segment their audience based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Another crucial element of digital marketing is search engine optimization, or SEO. By optimizing websites and content to rank higher in search engine results, businesses can significantly increase their online visibility and attract organic traffic. This not only improves brand awareness but also enhances the chances of conversions. Email marketing is yet another powerful tool in the digital marketing arsenal. It enables businesses to directly communicate with their audience, build relationships, and drive conversions. Personalized emails that deliver relevant content and offers have proven to be highly effective in converting leads into loyal customers. The analytics and data provided by digital marketing platforms allow businesses to measure the success of their marketing efforts. Real-time data, such as website traffic, click-through rates, and conversion rates, provides valuable insights for optimizing campaigns, targeting the right audience, and ultimately driving business growth. In conclusion, digital marketing has revolutionized the way businesses operate and connect with customers. The ability to reach highly targeted audiences, the power of social media advertising, the effectiveness of search engine optimization, and the direct communication facilitated by email marketing have reshaped the business landscape. Unlock new opportunities for growth, expand their reach, and achieve new levels of success in this digital age.